Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Friday, May the 14th, 2021. We have here in this additional Sudoku, the first one is a letter Sudoku. Sudoku with 2 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with a 1 star. And finally, binary puzzle, only one today. Yeah, only one. So total of 7 extra puzzles or Sudokus. And first, the Sudoku I will solve will be a Sudoku with 3 stars. And this one will be a number 2789. Yes, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright. So, let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright, yeah. How about the number? The number. I see here 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. 7. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 3 boxes. There 6. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row. 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 6 should be there. We have an 8 in this row. Third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. 1, 3. 1, 3. 1, 3, 4. Interesting. How about the number? Yeah. We have a pair. 5 and 8 in this row. 5 and 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the 5 and 8 should be in one of those 2 boxes, 5 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. And now, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1. In this big square should be here. Okay. 2, 3, 9. Yeah. Let me see. 7, 5, 1. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 6. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the 6. We see here 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. Well, we have another 6 there. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 there. Here 1. No 1 there. So the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left. Oh, I made a mistake. Look, this is a 1. So this is not correct. Overlooked. Could be happen. Okay. So it's 1, 2. 2 is missing. 3, 4. 5 is missing. 2, 5, and 7. 2, 5, 7. Look, we have a 7 here, no 7 here. Here also a 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Yeah, instead of the 1, you need the 7. Okay, so 2 numbers left now. The 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. You see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. So we have a 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so no row between. The only place for the 5 should be there. 3, 9, 3, 9, 4. Okay. 1, 2. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 here. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes, 3 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in this column, 2 and a 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the 2 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 6. Alright, 1 number left in the middle row for the number 7. Yeah. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then. Let me see. 3, 2, 3, 3. Okay. 3, 3. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing number in the second row is the number 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. We see here another 9, so no 9 here. 9 should be there. Alright. And now, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this first row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 2 boxes left in the second row for the numbers 3 and 2. 3 and 2. 3 and 2 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 9. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in this row below. So the last row, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Okay. Then. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? For the numbers 5 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 5 and 8. 2, 2. 3, 3. 9, 4 and 7. Yes, 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3 and number 7. Alright. Alright. 8, 5. 2, 8, 5, 2. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here a 2, so no 2 there. Here also a 2, so no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Now I have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 3. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is missing. All right, now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be an 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 8. One box left in this row for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers are 9 and 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 50 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. 15 minutes, and for 3 stars Sudoku I need 20 minutes to 30 minutes to solve. So 15 minutes, yeah, I give this 2 stars. But I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. It will be a 4 stars Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.